I'm gonna show you how to uninstall or disable system apps on Android. So to get started, you have to open your settings, go to your Android settings, and then you have to scroll down and then tap on apps or apps and notifications. And then once you locate it, you just have to click on apps. And from there, you just have to select or find the app system that you want to remove or disable. So I'm going to choose any random application right here, and then once you selected one, you just have to click disable or uninstall updates, or usually you will see disable instead of uninstall, or just tap disable to stop the app from running or reappearing. You can also tap uninstall updates to remove updates and free up space on your phone. So that's how to uninstall system apps on Android.